Hello guys, Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing a product that is recently launched in the market and creating a lot of buzz. I will be reviewing them in detail and give them rating to make you understand that what the brands are claiming and when actually used are they matching or not as per the price point that they have set, so that it's easy for you to purchase and not waste any money. So stay tuned. Today I'll be reviewing K Beauty's another newest launch, the K Beauty Soft Matte Press Powder, enriched with ceramides, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. It says it's 12-hour long-lasting wear, gives a skin-like natural finish with crease-resistant oil control, gives you an instant brightness with no cakiness. Let's see. The packaging is great as usual, the K Beauty game. It gives us sponge separately in a small cute pouch like this, as if it's a New Year greeting card. Let's see how it works. It's a pressed powder, not like regular compact, which is great. Let's see. Yeah, it's matte. It instantly, as you could see, gave me a blurring effect, which it says that it instantly gives a blurring effect. It's oil control. I think definitely it is. I think the sponge is great too. It literally brightened my skin. I'm liking this matte compact pressed powder already. I think I'll apply here with my beauty sponge. गड्ढा जो हो गया है आंखों के नीचे. So yes, as you can see, it instantly brightened my skin. And gave an even skin tone for my uneven skin. See, it just made the entire thing look so even. This powder is great. At the price point of 1200, I think the powder is much better than the other new launches currently. Maybe when I'll apply it according to her synchronization, you need to apply the primer first, then her concealer, then the cushion foundation, and then this. I think I have all of them. So if I apply in the correct order, I'll get a more like lifted look. So this powder is 4.5 out of 5 because it instantly brightened my skin tone, give an even oil controlled texture to my skin, just blurred my entire oily parts, and I feel great. I literally love this powder. So for me, this is a must buy. I have given a full review on this and I'm loving the product. It's a 4.5 out of 5 for me. Do you agree with this? If you have used, do let me know in the comments. If you like my genuine reviews and information, please like, share and subscribe. I love you all.